All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's explainer. I am so excited you're here because today, well, we're going to become actual time travelers. That's right. We're learning all about the future tense, which is basically how we talk about things that haven't even happened yet. Okay, let's dive right into this time machine adventure and see exactly how it works. But before we get into the rules, I want you to use your imagination for a second. What will you do tomorrow? I'm going to pause for just a moment. Go ahead and shout out your ideas. Will you play outside? Will you eat your favorite food? Well, whatever you just thought of, guess what? You're already thinking in the future tense. So, what exactly is this future tense? Basically, it's just an action that will happen later. It could be tomorrow, it could be next week, or literally just sometime after right now. Our easy rule to remember is that future tense simply means later or after now. It's our ultimate destination in time. Section 1. The magic rule, unlocking the future. Now that we know exactly where we're going in time, we actually need a way to get there, right? So here is how we build our time machine sentence, step by step. Step 1, we start with our subject, like I, you, or we. Step 2 is absolutely crucial. It's the magic word, will. You literally cannot do this without the word will. And finally, step 3, we add our action word or verb, like play or eat. So it's subject plus will plus action word. It really is that simple. Now, what's really interesting here is the green check mark. You see, when we use our magic word will, we have to use a simple action word. We can't say will played. That big red X shows us that's a no-go because played is a past word. We only ever say will play, just like the side with the green check mark. Let's look at one more example, just to make completely sure our magic spell is working perfectly. Check out the left side. Will went. Nope. No way, that gets a big red X. Went is an action that already happened. Now look at the right side. We want to say will go. That is exactly how we correctly use the future tense to talk about later. Section 2, our future day, traveling to tomorrow. You guys have this magic rule down perfectly, so I invite all of you to step inside our time machine and jump straight into tomorrow with me. The sun is coming up on our future day. Read the sentence with me. Tomorrow, I will wake up early. Notice how the words will wake up completely paint a picture of something that hasn't happened yet, but is definitely going to happen when tomorrow finally arrives. Next up, we obviously need some energy for our big day. I will eat breakfast. The action here is eating, and adding that special word will right before eat lets everyone know that our yummy breakfast is waiting for us in the future. And here is our magic rule brilliantly illustrated again. I will go to school. We've got our subject I, our magic word will, and our simple action word go. It's a literally perfect future tense sentence. Then, after school, it's time for the absolute best part of the day. I will play with my friends. I want you to imagine yourself running around, playing your favorite game. By saying will play, you're perfectly setting up that fun action for later. Finally, the future day comes to an end. I will sleep at night. All of these wonderful things, waking up, eating, going to school, playing, and sleeping, they haven't actually happened yet. They're safely tucked away in the future tense, just waiting for tomorrow. Section 3, practice time, win the game. Okay, time travelers, you've learned the rule, you've actually seen the future. Now let's treat this like a game show. Are you ready to test out your brand new magic powers? Here is your first challenge. The sentence says, I blank play tomorrow. What magic word do we need to put in that blank space to make this a future action? Go ahead and shout it out if you know it. Let's look at our options here. Do we choose option A, will, or do we choose option B, played? Remember our magic rule for the future tense? Which one actually makes the magic work? Well, if you yelled out will, you are absolutely correct. Great job! Option A is for sure the winner. The sentence becomes, I will play tomorrow. You use the magic word perfectly to talk about the future. Now it's time to put on your detective hats for a super quick quiz. Which of these sentences is actually in the future tense? You've got to search closely for the clues we've been talking about. Let's review the evidence. Option A says, I played yesterday. Option B says, I will play tomorrow. Listen closely to those clues, yesterday versus tomorrow. Which one of those points directly to the future? Yes, the correct answer is B. I will play tomorrow. The magic combination of will plus the action word play is the absolute giveaway here. You guys are amazing time detectives, for real. Section 4. Let's recap the magic. You are time travelers. So the crucial point here is that we've unlocked a completely new part of time today, and you are officially certified time travelers. I want you to read this magic rule with me, loud and proud, so it sticks in your memory forever. Ready? Will plus verb equals future tense. It really is that easy. Whenever you want to talk about something happening later, you just grab the word will and attach it straight to your action word. This brilliantly maps out how time works. We have the past, which already happened. We have the present, which is happening right now as we speak. And then way over there on the right, we have the future, everything that will happen later. And that is exactly where our new magic rule lives on the timeline. I'm leaving you with a very fun challenge. Get out your notebook or just use your big voice and tell me, what will you do tomorrow? I want you to create 3 completely brand new sentences using the future tense. Practice your magic rule, subject plus will plus action word. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible explainer adventure. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the future.